Welcome to all my dear students. Welcome to session 27. I am Padmini Vasan. Today we shall discuss one more application of VLOOKUP wherein we will be arriving at the commission payable to the builders. Hence, I will be incorporating VLOOKUP with the multiplication function to arrive at the total commission. So dear students, we know that VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is a formula, that is a function in Excel wherein we get a data from a table organized vertically. And lookup function is available under formula tab. So one can click on the formula tab and then select lookup and reference wherein VLOOKUP is present in the last. So now let us look at the data available. Here I have the builder's details, units details, average cost per unit, or you can say average income generated by the builder per unit, total income generated, and here I have the total commission rate payable. So if I want to arrive at what is the total commission payable to say the first builder, Mr. Doug. Now let us start with the VLOOKUP. So go to the formula tab, look for lookup function, select the VLOOKUP tab, and once you select the VLOOKUP tab, the function argument of VLOOKUP gets populated wherein you have 4 arguments. The first one being lookup value, that is nothing but the value to look for in the first column of a table. Second one being the table array, the table from which we want to retrieve a value. Third one being the column index number, the column in the table from which to retrieve a value. So that is a column number. And the last one being the range lookup, which can be true for approximate match and false for exact match. Now dear students, I have to arrive at the commission. So I will place my cursor in column F and then select the VLOOKUP function. For lookup value, I need to click on the Mr. Dog, okay, because that is the data corresponding to which I have to retrieve the details. My table array will be my commission details. So I need to cover both the columns because I have to retrieve the data vis-a-vis with respect to the name of the builder. The column index number is the index number with respect to the table array which data has to be extracted. So here I have 2 columns, column 1 is the names, column 2 is the rate. So if I want rate, I have to put as column 2, and 0 is for false and is for exact match, and then just click OK. So if you see here 0.06 has got extracted. So here I will be applying even the multiplication function with VLOOKUP to arrive at the total commission payable. So multiply with the total value and then say enter. So you can see that Mr. Dog's commission payable at the rate of 6% on 3112 is 186.72. And if I want to drag this and if I want to copy the same formula for others, if you dear students, if you observe, if I drag it, NA starts coming. So what is NA? Just observe here. So when I put the function in the first case, you can see the complete table is selected. When I go to the NA and see what is the table selected, if you can see, correspondingly when I drag, the coverage area varies. So instead of being H15, it has become H17. Hence it is not able to take the details which once I drag it. Therefore we have to freeze it, freeze the formula. What I have to freeze? I have to freeze the starting point of this, that is H, and I have to freeze the starting point of that is I. Hence let us go to the formula, click upon that in the formula bar and then press F4. So as soon as I press F4, $sign is initiated before H and similarly dollar sign has to be initiated before I. With the initiation of dollar sign, the H and the I column has got frozen, and then say enter, and now just see if I drag it, I am getting the answer for all. That is because after freezing the starting point, that is a H15 and I15, once I drag the formula, VLOOKUP will take the corresponding table and retrieve the data parallelly and particularly correct. Hence, dear students, if you observe, here we have learnt of using of VLOOKUP in association with a multiplication function. Thus, I am able to arrive at the commission payable in a matter of a second. So, this is VLOOKUP, if you can see, is accurate and is very fast in arriving at any details. I hope you have learnt a lot in this session. I shall meet you soon in next session. Thank you very much.